Cleaning methods: cleaning by means of Istinca, major cleansing, and Istibra, minor cleansing. It is necessary to clean the areas where impurities such as blood, semen, urine, and feces have been released. This is called Istinca. This cleaning is done with water or small stones without exposing the private parts to strangers. It is more appropriate to use stones first, then water. However, Istinca using things like bones, lime, coal, dung, cloth, cotton, and paper is disliked. There are many health benefits to washing with water. There is important information on this subject in medical books. It is obligatory to wash away any impurities that are excessive enough to invalidate the prayer. After urinating, men must wait for the urine to stop flowing. This is called Istibra. The method of Istibra varies according to each person's physiology. It is done by waiting, walking a little, moving the feet, and coughing. Once it is concluded that the urine has stopped, Istinca, washing with water, is performed. This is because the presence of urine, such as dripping urine, prevents the ablution from being valid. Paying close attention to cleanliness during Istinca and not leaving any traces of urine or similar impurities is called Istinca. After Istinca, one should dry off with a clean cloth or with the left hand without standing up. This is to remove any residue of the water used for cleaning. A Hadith Sharif states, "Be very careful about urine, for all the torment of the grave is from it." For this reason, one should be extremely careful about urine and pay attention to cleanliness. Women do not need to perform Istibra. It is sufficient for them to wait for a while. After that, they can perform Istinca and abdus. There are certain etiquettes for Istinca and Istibra. They are as follows. When going to the toilet, one should say, "Allah, I seek refuge in you from impurity and being impure." One should enter the toilet with the left foot and exit with the right foot. One should not sit facing the Qibla in the toilet, nor should one turn one's back towards the Qibla. Doing so is makruh. It is makruh to urinate against the wind, while standing without a valid excuse, on the nests of ants and similar insects, or in water used for ablution or ghusl. It is also makruh to relieve oneself on the road, near a mosque, in a cemetery, in still or flowing water, on riverbanks, or under trees. It is also contrary to good manners to relieve oneself in a place where people can see. While in the toilet, one should not talk or think about religious or worldly matters. One should not look at their private parts or the waist. One should not spit into their urine. Those who are not fasting should try to keep their feet apart and sit loosely while relieving themselves. It is recommended to do so because it is better for cleanliness.